Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, Coffee, Tea, Paper. My name's Louise and I have a special unboxing today. So first of all, I have a little story to tell. So when I was 9, I went backpacking for a month around Japan with my parents, and one of the places that we stayed was in the Kanaya Hotel in Nikko, and it made a huge impression on me as a 9-year-old. Up to that point, I had only ever slept in a bed, and I had only really had experiences of European countries and Australia and America, which is, still quite a lot for a 9-year-old. And this was my first introduction to probably real Japan. We stayed in the hotel, we slept on futons, we wore the yukatas, and we had a kaiseki style dinner that was served to us in our room, where we sat on the floor and ate at a really low table. So it was very, very novel and unique for me as a 9-year-old. Now, I did do a flip through of my travel scrapbook that my mum helped me put together, which is on my channel here. I'll try and remember to leave a link up there. But a couple of months ago, Travelers Factory released a Kanaya Hotel special edition Traveler's Notebook cover, insert, and a few other bits and pieces as well, to mark the 150th year of the hotel. So of course, having those memories and being a fan of Traveler's Notebook, it was really there was no question, it was a must have. So fortunately for me, one of my friends organized to get her hands on one for me, so I'm so appreciative of that. And she sent me a couple of little goodies as well. So she sent me some nice Japanese tea and a copy of the Traveler's Notebook magazine, the latest one. But I purchased the cover and the sticker set. So let's have a look at them together. Okay, let's have a look at the cover first. They have the paper description here, which is generally the same. It just changes up if there's a special edition, but the information about the actual cover itself is always the same. And on the back, they always have an insert which says what's included in the package. So a cloth bag, the journal cover itself, and usually an insert and some spare elastics. Oh, I love the orange elastic. I'm very happy to have another one of those spare. And these are the care instructions, which always come every time in a new cover as well. I will always keep this elastic too. This is another good spare elastic to have. And I keep these as well. Sometimes I've sent Happy Mail in them because they're a nice, neat package. So let's have a look. So they've just got the standard cloth cover. There's not a special one like they had with the Travelers Hotel and Record Company and train station, etc. It's a lovely brown cover, and it has very crisp gold foiling on the front. Reads the Kanaya Nikko Japan Hotel, or the Kanaya Hotel Nikko Japan, collaborates with Travelers Company. So of course it's to celebrate the 150th year of the hotel's existence. Inside we have a special insert which actually looks like, this looks like a vintage travel poster type, finished with standard cream paper. Just get it out so I can have a good look. So this is the design of the cover. And inside I caught a glimpse. Yeah, so that's you come in, I still remember coming in on the train and walking up an incredibly steep hill to get to the hotel and being rather tired, but then also looking at going for a walk and looking at a really nice temple there. And we also found a restaurant which did the most amazing noodle dish. It was like the best noodles that we've ever had. Oh, this is really nice. This folds out. Oh, it gives a bit of a history. Well, that's lovely. How will I ever use this insert? I ask myself. Oh, here's a sample menu from 1951. Choice of bouillon brunoise or cream of celery, salad, head of lettuce with Thousand Island dressing, fruit with mayonnaise, entree, grilled beef steak to order, brown gravy, that sounds tasty, vegetable, French fried potatoes, stewed tomatoes, string beans with bacon, and dessert, chocolate ice cream or Boston cream cake. Wow, welcome dance tonight in ballroom. Yeah, that's really, really lovely. Just pop that back in. There was some charms that you could get in the collection. There was some, I think, a pen and a pencil set. I didn't get any of those, but I did get the sticker set. So here is the sticker set. So I'll open that in a minute and we'll have a look. And this is the latest copy of the Traveller's Times magazine. This is the Japanese version that my friend has sent me. Oh, it lists all the Travelers Company partners shops. Not sure if it's got the most recent one. There's been a few new ones lately. So they might actually be more than that now. And some ideas on how to use the inserts in the notebooks. And yeah, I don't know what that says. So let's have a little look at the stickers. You get 10 stickers. This set of stickers are arranged in the motif of baggage tags, stickers and old advertisements used at Kanaya Hotel. In the flip through of the travel scrapbook I kept, we actually had a copy of one of the big tags from they put on our baggage. So it'll be interesting to see if there's a similar one here. One with a lot of gold foiling. We'll lay them out. So that's a very similar design, just sort of a slightly different colorway. That's like the cover on the insert. Very simple one. This is like the cover on the front here. Just gold foil and like a black charcoal color. Although this one's nice with the view. And last but not least, this one here. So that's a really nice set of stickers. So 10 in total. So that's my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed having a look through the Kanaya Hotel Limited Edition cover, and let me know in the comments below if you have ever stayed at this hotel. What was your experience there? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!